welcome back to Benmarks Motors. Got another nice one for you today. Got a 2015 BMW 3 Series. It's a 325d M Sport Saloon. And it's finished in this lovely Glacier Silver. This is a premium sports saloon that combines strong performance, excellent efficiency and everyday usability. It's powered by a 2.litre diesel engine which produces 218 brake horsepower, and that's paired with its 6-speed manual gearbox. Being Euro 6 compliant, it delivers plenty of performance while still keeping running costs sensible. This specific example has just covered under 74,000 miles and will come with proof of 5 services. The most one recently carried out at 73,236 miles. Just had a nice fresh service. Also comes with a clean MOT right through to September 2026. It's all ready to go with no worries. One of the highlights of this car is its impressive factory options list. Over £6,500 worth of extras. That includes BMW's heads-up display, adaptive M Sport suspension, the M Sport braking system, professional navigation, and the full media package and enhanced Bluetooth. It's got everything. It's just starting to rain here. There we go, really nice inside. Lovely multifunctional steering wheel there with your manual with your manual gear stick in the middle and manual handbrake. Your controls for C3 multimedia system which are up there, and then down here we've got your dual zone air conditioning with some nice storage for your cups. Once this comes out, storage for your cups in there. Got some nice storage in here as well, and obviously your AUX and USB plug-in in there. When we get to the back as well, the premium doesn't stop at the front. Really nice spacious back on this model. It's a 60-40 split on the seats, with it obviously has a nice middle centre pull out there, which gives you a nice centre room for your cups and stuff as well. You've got little spotlights on the doors over there, I don't know if you can tell. And you've got your central nice heating stuff there as well as such. Really nice and clean, all leather seats, so it's that premium touch throughout. Does have quite a decent sized boot for it being a saloon. It's not particularly a big opening, but it is quite long. There you go. Road tax on this particular one is £195 a year, so that is a very affordable premium sports saloon. That was a tongue twister. You've got your great performance, strong service history and a long MOT, and a fantastic list of desirable factory extras. What more can you love about this BMW 325d M Sport? Well equipped with its stylish sports saloon that delivers excitement without compromising on comfort. If you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, do get in touch with us today. We're here now at Benmarks Motors, and obviously if this isn't the one for you, please do pop down anyways. We do have a showroom through of lots of other cars. Thank you again for watching.